The city of Pasadena is situated just southeast of the city of Houston, about 16 miles. The Texas Gulf Coast region gets about 55 to 60 inches of rain a year. Now the problem comes when it all comes at once. The particular application of this stormwater pump station was unique in that it was placed in between the Texas Department of Transportation feeder roads and the Harris County Toll Road Authority main lanes in a footprint that most engineers would consider daunting. We had about 25 feet to work in, and we were going to have to do all our piping arrangements, all our pumping arrangements below ground.
This is a major hurricane evacuation route, and it's important that this stretch of highway and the Spencer Road crossing the freeway remain clear so that people from the surrounding area can get out of the area in case of a hurricane.
Being that we were so restricted on space, is perfectly suited for a submersible pump to come in and gives you the ability to install this station in a very tight, compact way.
So we recommended the submersible Grundfos pumps along with the CU362 and the variable frequency drive. It allows us to not only maintain high efficiencies during operation, but it also allowed us to adjust the speed of the pump so we can monitor and adjust the flow of the pump depending on how much rainfall we were getting at that particular time.
It's a uniquely designed submersible pump intended to meet all industry standards. And in fact, we exceed those standards in many areas with our unique mechanical seal design, our longer bearing life, our unique cable entry system, and of course, we use premium efficiency motors, which means less power consumption and energy savings to the consumer.
Another great thing about this, the Grundfos controls, is you can totally operate it and check for alarms by standing in front of the control panel without sending a man down hole where it's a dangerous confined space situation.
This particular station, in terms of its capability, its design, its execution, and its operation, should cost about half of what similar pump stations cost to run and operate and maintain.
6 weeks ago, we had 6 inches of rain in one afternoon. Both pumps ran for 5 hours roughly each, and no flooding was reported in this area, where previously they would have had flooding.
This stormwater pump station, in confluence with Grundfos pumps and Pumps of Houston, have solved a decades-old problem of flooding in this region.